Today I have come to check out the Ceropegia. This Ceropegia, I could, in the last 6 months of looking around, I could find only one specimen in this area where I am covering. And then it was a new species for me, so it was an exciting thing, and I did a video and all on that. Now I come to check out the seed pods. Now it's almost a couple of months since I did that video and photographs of that plant. Now the seeds it's time for the seeds to be ripe, so I thought I'll check out whether the seeds have come. And I want to use this opportunity to explain a little bit about these grazing meadows. This place, what I am covering, this particular one location, it's a kind of a slope with underneath some laterite rocks may be there, and then that side the main road is there with the apartment and all, and this place is also due for real estate development in due course. Right now trees have been chopped, so grasses have come up nicely, and within this grassy meadow there are some little clumps of some plant communities, and each of them are very interesting. This particular one where I got that Ceropegia, it has about maybe about 30 species of native species, and then the main highlight is there is one particular plant that botanical name I think I'm not getting it. It has a milky sap, and then poisonous milky sap that causes blindness and all, and then it has some spectacular flowers. This I'll write it in the notes of that video. So this is one tree, big specimen is there. Then along with that there is that I think that Eruatemia hynenia or something it's called. It has orange fruits. So that is one. Then there are a couple of these coffee family bushes. 2-3 of them are there. All I have done the individual videos with the fruit and all earlier in the part of the season. So about 3-4 of them are there. Then also this is an edible fruit. Unfortunately, all the species names are slipping from my mind, so I'll have to come and cover it separately, item by item. Anyway, this is there, and then the Syzygium carallophytum is there. Then about half a dozen climbers are also there in between all that, and that glory lily and all. So as one community like this can have numerous species, and they form one kind of a cohesive unit. There's 1 or 2 trees in the middle, and then bunch of climbers have there are a bunch of these shrubs are there, shrubby kind of plants around these 2-3 trees, and then some climbers. Now Ceropegia also I had located in this patch, and then that Ziziphus onoplia also is there in the whole lot. Now we'll look at the seed pods. So they are sharp kind of pencil, not exactly pencil, even thin needle type of seed pods in pairs, and I think they'll burst open if I'm right, and Now it's clear. I think these will burst open and then there must be some small seeds inside. So initially they'll be green like this. I don't know how clear it is. It's a bit high for me to cover. Okay, so that's how it looks. Sharp, spiky things. I'm going to collect a few and try to germinate and see how it goes. So that's the Ceropegia seeds.